Okay, everybody, welcome back to Rick's Rides. I'm going to be changing a fuel pump on my Ranger today. I'm going to show you my quickest and easiest way to do it, which I found easiest for me. I always work alone, so for me, I don't like to drop the tanks. I'd rather take off the bed. So I'm going to show you what all you need. New fuel pump filler neck, 2 screwdrivers to disconnect the electrical connector on the back of the truck. I believe this is a 18 millimeter, a T55 Torx, 7 millimeter little socket. And if you have a bed liner, that takes longer to take out than it does to get the bed in this condition right here. So the best way to start, disconnect the fuel filler neck. That's going to be 3 7 millimeters. Then disconnect the 6 T55s. Then disconnect the electrical connector socket, which is super easy. Then there's going to be 4 bolts holding on the rear bumper, 2 on each side, and it just drops down. I recommend spraying some WD-40 on all the bolts of the bed before you take it off, just so you don't strip out the little metal clips. Once you get it moved back here, and you will have to kind of fight with it on the passenger side, because if you just try to drag it back, the rear passenger shock mount will kind of hold you up, so you got to kind of lift it up on that side and walk it over it, and then you can kind of drag it back. To get it in this position here is pretty easy. I'm about to blow all this out with the air compressor, and then I'm going to rinse it out really good and clean it up a little bit, just so nothing gets inside there before I take all this apart. Then I'm going to drop in the new assembly and then put this all back together. I think I maybe got 30 minutes all involved in getting to this step right here. And it helps if you got an air compressor. But so far, that's all you need. And actually, that's not so far, that's all you're gonna need. I'll probably be done in an hour with the cleaning and everything. Well, if you have any questions or you like my tips, let me know, subscribe. I do a lot of videos sometimes also on my Instagram, which is Cars R to Life, which is CARSRDALIFE. You'll find me on there. She's all back together and she runs again.